In a grand castle nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, the king and queen welcomed a special gift into the world. They gave birth to a little princess named Reyan. She was no ordinary princess. Reyan possessed extraordinary powers that brought magic to the world around her. Whenever Princess Reyan stepped outside, nature itself would change. The sky would transform into a beautiful tapestry of colors, from deep purples to radiant golds. The stars would twinkle in rhythm, singing lullabies that could soothe even the most restless hearts. As she walked, flowers would bloom in her footsteps, creating a vibrant carpet of blossoms wherever she went. Animals from the forest, great and small, would journey to the royal palace to greet the princess. The villagers, witnessing these miracles, began to pray for her, believing she was a blessing to their land. They cherished her as a symbol of hope and prosperity, especially when her presence brought rain to nourish their crops. Reyan had a deep love for the forest and often spent her nights under the canopy of ancient trees. She found solace in the whispering leaves and the gentle rustle of the wind. One magical evening, as the moonlight bathed the forest in a silvery glow, Reyan encountered a magnificent horse. This was no ordinary horse, it was a shimmering white steed with a mane that glowed like stardust. The horse approached her and spoke in a voice as gentle as a summer breeze. "Greetings, Princess Reyan. I am Solara, a magical horse who can take you anywhere your heart desires." Reyan's eyes sparkled with wonder. "Anywhere?" she asked, her voice filled with excitement. Solara nodded. "Yes, anywhere in the world, and even beyond. Just tell me where you wish to go." Overwhelmed with joy, Reyan climbed onto Solara's back. They soared through the night, visiting enchanted lands and distant realms. They explored sparkling waterfalls, ancient castles, and mysterious forests. Reyan's laughter echoed through the skies, and Solara's hooves left trails of light as they galloped across the heavens. One day, while exploring a hidden glen deep within the forest, Reyan and Solara discovered a crystal-clear pond. The water shimmered with an otherworldly glow. Curious, Reyan leaned over and saw her reflection, not as a little princess, but as a powerful guardian of nature. Solara spoke softly, "Princess Reyan, you have a great destiny. Your powers are a gift to this world. Use them wisely to protect and nurture the land." Reyan smiled, feeling a sense of purpose she had never known before. With Solara by her side, she vowed to use her magical abilities to bring harmony and joy to her kingdom. From that day forward, Princess Reyan and Solara became a legendary duo. Together, they journeyed far and wide, spreading peace and magic wherever they went. Reyan's kingdom flourished under her gentle reign, and the villagers continued to pray for their beloved princess, knowing that as long as she was near, their land would always be blessed. And so, the tale of Princess Reyan and her magical horse, Solara, became a cherished story passed down through generations, a reminder that true magic lies within the heart, waiting to be shared with the world.